In this video, we're gonna go see my mom, my brother, and my sister. And it's a boys trip. It's just me and my two sons. Nazir, you ready to go see Grandma? Are you ready to go see Grandma? We're gonna go see TT Gracie and Uncle Keenan and our family dog Kepi. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Got the sausage cooking right here. We're gonna go on a road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip. You boys ready for a family road trip? Just boys?
Yeah.
Boys trip, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nazir, are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh, right.
With Mick Mouse? Alright, we're going. Bye, Mama. Left the wife at home. She's gonna get some time alone. She hasn't had time alone for 2.5 years at least. If you consider being pregnant not being alone, then almost 3.5 years, 3.25. So she's gonna have 2.5 days by herself. And me and the boys are gonna go to the Bay Area. We're gonna go to Berkeley, California, go to my mama's house. We're gonna, eat some good food and hang out with family. And that's it. No other plans. I hope I can see some cool cars I can film on the way, but we'll see. We'll see what we find. So that's it. Yeah. Let's go on this trip together.
Got this shit up on my waist and it was black, all matte. Bitches wanna feel me and they moving like some rats. She a brat, Charlie XDD. And I'm moving down the street, I got the beat. I ain't say her name right, I'm at ecstasy. Wait, fuck, I'm off the ecstasy. Okay, she might just be a taste of me. I gotta go directed to the bros. I'm just trying to feel by myself on the low. I just wanna fly like a kite every night. They just wanna feel.
What's up, guys? Navi, thank you. Say hi to Mama. Said you're cute children. We're gonna just hit up Rayleigh's and get some snacks while we're on the way to my mama's house. We're in Loomis, California right now. The Rayleigh's. Get something to drink. And we'll get some snacks. We'll get some Annie's snacks. Okay? What about you? You tired still? This guy was asleep for the last 2 hours. This guy was asleep for like the last 30 minutes. Both doing really good so far. Yeah. Rocket, rocket, rocket. That's my boy. Have you having fun? Good road trip? Tesla over here. Okay. You're so pretty. Hey guys, what are you looking at? Oh, thank you so much. Whenever I hit the bay and I start driving and I start hitting Vallejo, I gotta put on some good old Mac track. Alright, 2 o'clock. It's 2:17. We're in Vallejo, California. Just hit some traffic. We had no traffic the whole way. And we just finally hit some traffic. That's a Friday. So I guess some people are getting off work early and you know, hitting the highway. But GPS says we'll be at my mom's house in 30 minutes. So if you want to know, my Berkeley and where I'm from is 30 minutes from Vallejo, which is what I consider the start of the Bay Area. Sacramento's not the Bay Area. If you look at a map, Sacramento's got a river. There's no bay. But Vallejo and like American Canyon area is right where the bay starts. The actual bay. And yeah, you know, I'm just heading back to Berkeley and gonna enjoy the good weather. It's still cold up in Reno, and this is gonna be a fun boys trip. I'm excited. We're about to hit the bridge. The Vallejo Carquines Bridge or something like that. I forgot what it's called. The Vallejo Bridge. It goes across to I think like El Sobrante and then Richmond, and then El Cerrito, and then I think Albany, and then Berkeley, and then we'll head up to my mom's house in Berkeley, get some good food, enjoy some time with family, and get out of that bad weather in Reno. I do miss the weather out here, I will say that, and I miss the food. Food's better out here, weather's better out here, so you know, the gas is better out here. It's more expensive, but they got higher octane gas for, you know, cool cars. But all the smog laws and all the classic car laws and all that stuff and the parking and all that's horrible. So I'll never move back to the Bay Area unless I'm super, super rich, that I could have another house in Nevada and have all my cool cars, you know, registered out there and have my guns and all that stuff. But yeah, we're on the bridge right now, and let me show you this. Okay, I pull up in the Audi 4 rings outside, and you feel me when you want it. On the inside, it scream like you wanted it. I just wanna pull up and I pull up with the stunning shit. Okay, it's the honest shit. Okay, that's dishonesty. Pull up with the honest piece. I just got the honest streets. I just got a trap up in your mind. I left it all behind. I break it like a spine. I break it like a vine. On the shit, I might just rhyme with the shit. I gotta pull up with your bitch. We put a bunch of different shit.
We made it, guys. I'm sure that I say mum all the time.
We made it.
Mum Deb. Hi.
There's a dog. Hey, Cappy.
Yeah, you remember Cappy. Come on.
Nazir, come on, buddy.
And Keenan grabbed those stars for you, thinking you might want to have fun with them on your pergola.
Come on, buddy.
Come on. Like
You got one more step.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're in the house. Hey, buddy. You're at grandmom's house? Mom's house? Sing it, Navi.
What else could you get into?
Musical genius.
It's a yarmulke. This looks like a head. Look at that little Jewish baby. Yeah.
You gonna draw? Show us what you're doing. You got the baby?
You're right there.
Come on, slide down.
Yeah, I'm also full.
Whee! Say hi to mama.
Her sister's kid.
Hey, Navi. We're gonna go on the choo-choo train. Look, there's a train back there. Choo-choo.
Oh, you mean like the park and stuff? Oh, okay.
Navi, where's my sweet Navi?
Choo-choo.
Oh, chicka, 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 choo.
1 foot. Okay, so it's they just.
Want to sit down and watch TV?
Yeah.
Can you ask nicely? For that?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Not just yeah, you have to ask the question.
It's in there. What do you want to watch?
You have to say, can I have it? Ask me, can I have it?
This and look, Adrian. I can zoom into you, right?
Oh yeah. It's not funny though, it's just an app.
You want to take that thing off his head? Yeah.
That's wild.
One's very nice. I like that one. Oh, keep it open. I want the dinosaur.
Navi, get off your brother.
Definitely not.
Oh, it's okay. And what about you?
She's a frog.
She fit it in her toes. I took a look around. I fit it like a pro. I fit it just like I just got the shit. I'm about to put a